Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel Be Twisted. Today we have brought you an information about dance. Dance is a performing art form consisting of purposefully selected sequences of human movement. This movement has aesthetic and symbolic value and is acknowledged as dance by performers and observers within a particular culture. Dance can be categorized and described by its choreography, by its repertoire of movements, or by its historical period or place of origin. An important distinction is to be drawn between the contexts of theatrical and participatory dance. Although these two categories are not always completely separate, both may have special functions. Whether social, ceremonial, competitive, erotic, martial, or sacred, other forms of human movement are sometimes said to have a dance like quality, including martial arts, gymnastics, cheerleading, figure skating, synchronized swimming, marching bands, and many other forms of athletics. Origins of dance. Archaeological evidence for early dance includes 9,000-year-old paintings in India at the rock shelters of Bhimbetka and Egyptian tomb paintings depicting dancing figures dated 3300 BC. It has been proposed that before the invention of written languages, dance was an important part of the oral and performance methods of passing stories down from one generation to the next. The use of dance in ecstatic trance states and healing rituals is thought to have been another early factor in the social development of dance. During the first millennium BCE in India, many texts were composed which attempted to codify aspects of daily life. Bharata Muni's Natya Shastra is one of the earlier texts. It mainly deals with drama, in which dance plays an important part in Indian culture. It categorizes dance into four types: secular, ritual, abstract, and interpretive, and into four regional varieties. The text elaborates various hand gestures and classifies movement of the various limbs, steps, and so on. A strong continuous tradition of dance has since continued in India through to modern times, where it continues to play a role in culture, ritual, and notably the Bollywood entertainment industry. Many other contemporary dance forms can likewise be traced back to historical, traditional, ceremonial, and ethnic dance. Cultural traditions over the world. Dance in Africa is deeply integrated into society, and major events in a community are frequently reflected in dances. Dances are performed for births and funerals, weddings, and wars. Traditional dances impart cultural morals, including religious traditions and sexual standards, give vent to repressed emotions such as grief, motivate community members to cooperate. Whether fighting wars or grinding grains, enact spiritual rituals and contribute to social cohesiveness. Thousands of dances are performed around the continent. These may be divided into traditional, neo traditional, and classical styles. Folkloric dances of a particular society dances created more recently in imitation of traditional styles, and dances transmitted more formally in schools or private lessons. African dance has been altered by many forces, such as European missionaries and colonialist governments who often suppressed local dance traditions as licentious or distracting. Dance in contemporary African cultures still serves its traditional functions in new contexts. Dance may celebrate the inauguration of a hospital, building community for rural migrants in unfamiliar cities, and be incorporated into Christian church ceremonies. And in Asia, all Indian classical dances are to varying degrees rooted in the Natya Shastra and therefore share common features. For example, the mudras, some body positions, leg movement, and the inclusion of dramatic or expressive acting or abhinaya. Indian classical music provides accompaniment, and dancers of nearly all the styles wear belts around their ankles and counterpoint and complement the percussion. There are now many regional varieties of Indian classical dance. Dances like Odra Magadhi, which after decades long debate has been traced to present day Mithila, Odisha region's dance form of Odissi, indicate influence of dances in cultural interactions between different regions. The Punjab area overlapping India and Pakistan is the place of origin of Bhangra. It is widely known both as a style of music and a dance. It is mostly related to ancient harvest celebrations, love, patriotism, or social issues. Its music is coordinated by a musical instrument called the dole. Bhangra is not just music but a dance, a celebration of the harvest where people beat the dole, sing boliyan, and dance. It developed further with the Vaishakhi festival of the Sikhs. The dances of Sri Lanka include the devil dances, a carefully crafted ritual reaching far back into Sri Lanka's pre-Buddhist past that combines ancient Ayurvedic concepts of disease causation with psychological manipulation and combines many aspects including Sinhalese cosmology. Their influence can be seen on the classical dances of Sri Lanka. The dances of the Middle East are usually the traditional forms of circle dancing, which are modernized to one extent. They would include Devke, Tamzara, Assyrian folk dance, Kurdish dance, Armenian dance, and Turkish dance. Among others, all these forms of dances would usually involve participants engaging each other by holding hands or arms. They would make rhythmic moves with their legs and shoulders as they curve around the dance floor. The head of the dance would generally hold a cane or handkerchief. Thank you for watching this video. If you all really like this video, click on the like button, share as much you can, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. We have mentioned our Instagram page in description. Please do support us and follow us. Thank you.